Hello there, welcome to the Business in a Box VIP Reseller System. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of what this opportunity is and how you can use this as your own Business in a Box system so you can earn a recurring revenue selling digital products. Okay, so this is the sales page which explains everything. So what this is it is a system where it is categorized into two components. There is the VIP membership and the VIP resellers system. Okay, so the VIP membership, I will just show you what that looks like. So after someone pays for this, like you sell this to a customer, they will get access to the VIP membership. This is the VIP membership. It is a special access website, hidden website, that has over 1,000 plus high quality digital products with resale rights. Most of these products come with master resale rights or PLR or both. Okay, so it means you can sell them, you can resell them, your customer can resell them. You can sell them individually, you can edit them, you can modify them for your own purposes, rebrand them, sell them as your own. Okay, so these are resellable digital products, all high quality products. Okay, so they are categorized into collections on this website. So we have main collections, DC Vault, Ready to Brand, MRV. So there's a few, third party, Biz Growth, Vin Social. So these collections have their own different resale rights attached to them, but most of them are MRR, PLR. They are also categorized by new products, premium, courses, bundles, bestsellers, extras. Just to show you what that looks like. New products coming in. Premium, courses, bundles, bestsellers, extras. So over time, I will be stacking into these. So these are products in themselves. So over time, I'll be stacking more. Products will be added weekly. Okay? And then sorted by category and niche. Beauty and cosmetics. Okay? Now the way that this website works is the files are typically Canva template files or PDFs. Okay, so if I go to one, you get the download file immediately. And this is opening in Canva. Okay, here's another example. Download. Here is the PDF, and it has a lot of links which are going back into Canva. Okay, here's another one. This one is this product here. This is another example. Okay, that's another product. So there's a lot of products, right? So all you do is you click on each product and then you can download the files. which typically are Canva link files. So they're all very high quality products. Okay, so there are different collections in here. DC Vault, Ready to Brand, MRV. And they will be added to each week. Different products will be added into here. Okay, so it's a never-ending collection. So this in itself is a product offering. It's called the VIP Membership, MR Products Vault. And this in itself is of value, and this is the product that you are selling here, the access to the VIP membership. And you get access to that membership for $25 per month. Okay? So that's what this is. And then there is the VIP Resellers License. So what this is it is a license that allows you to sell direct access to the MRR Products Vault. So not only do you have access with your subscription, if you purchase a VIP Resellers license, then you can sell direct access to this vault. Okay? Now, here's the beauty of this system that I'm giving to you as a VIP reseller. For $10 a month, which is the current price, you can become a VIP reseller. That gives you a license to resell this product to your customers for $25 per month. Okay? Now let me explain how this works. Because it's quite a new system, and because what I am giving to you is quite a generous offer, it's hard to understand straight away, but let me just break this down for you a little bit, okay? So, for $10 a month, you become a VIP reseller, and you can sell direct access to the membership, okay? So, what is different about this is the way that you structure how you sell this. So I will provide to you the system that you need to set this up. Okay? So that's this in this community. So in this community, I will show you how to set up the sales funnel template, which is this. I'll show you how to set up your own one, okay? And then you need to modify it, change the colors, change the background image, so make it yours. And you'll get a copy of this. Okay, so I provide the sales funnel template here, and I'll just show you how this works. So if I click that, this is a brand new System.io account. You can even work on the free account. And I paste that link into here, or you can just click it. I now have the funnel. See that? So if I go view funnel, I now have my copy of this funnel. So you can now go into this and edit this funnel, change the background image, change the colors, change the text color, things like that. Right? And you can make this your funnel. Then you also set up your own payment gateway. So on my one, and I can teach you this as well, you will set up a payment gateway for a monthly subscription of $25 a month for you on your funnel, right? And then you set up an automation rule. Don't worry, because I provide instructions on how to do all of this. And the automation rule has an email, an automated email. So when someone makes a purchase for $25 a month from you, you send this email here automatically, and I can give you the text for this. And the only thing you really need to change is the password for the month. Because what happens is we will rotate the password each month so that if you have cancellations, they can see out there the rest of their month, but each month the password will change. So you don't have to let me know if someone cancels, because they won't get access on the next month. Okay? So this is the email. Congratulations on your investment. And then here's the access to the vault. Membership, VIP membership. And then it has this note. If you'd like to be a VIP reseller, sign up here. So this sign up link here for a VIP reseller, this goes to me. Okay? And then it gets them into the community. So inside the community, which is where you'd get into as a reseller, is this community. Okay? So in this community, I will be stacking in the docs, courses, and how to get things set up, and things like that. So I've got, as an example in here, this is your VIP reseller license. I've even provided like product mock-ups that you can use, like if you want to list it in a shop. The sales page text, which is a Google Doc, and the thank you text, which you provide after someone makes a purchase. Okay? And that's what this is. And that's it. Like, those are the only systems you need in place. And then when someone buys the product off you keep the $25 per month for you. Okay? So the way that I get paid, because that is a question that comes up, is like, well, how do you get paid? I get paid with this. So if your customer purchases access to the VIP membership and they decide that they want to become a reseller, I get paid. And that's currently $10 per month. So it's win-win. You get $25 per month and you can keep that for each sale you make. And I will get $10 per month by providing them the VIP reseller license. So can you see the beauty of this? So it's a great system. So with this system, there's no limit. You can just sell unlimited subscriptions to the VIP membership and make a recurring revenue. The ball is in your court now. You can become a VIP member and access all the products, which are of great value, by the way. I've already had subscribers just for the VIP membership, and they love it. Okay? Because you can download all the products individually if you like, and resell them, modify them and resell them, or use them and you've got a lot of flexibility with them. Or on top of that, you can become a VIP reseller and sell direct access to the whole membership for recurring revenue. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching.